How to view your text message delivery reports with Easy Texting. To start, log into your account and click on Outbox. This will bring you to the Review Text Messages page, where you can view detailed reports on your sent or scheduled messages, and even quickly send follow-up messages too. Click on any of the View Report links to get even more detailed information about that specific message. Here, the message report will show you a snippet of your message, which group or groups it was sent to, and how many credits were used. Underneath that, the campaign report takes a deeper look at how users interacted with the message you sent. It details what % of users replied, opted out, or took no action at all. If you sent a message using Easy Texting's link shortener, you can track the engagement on your messages when a customer clicks on the link. The link report displays the amount of clicks and the click-through rate of that link contained in the message. Scroll down the page further to reveal the delivery reports that show the basic details about the delivery of your message. This includes what percentage was delivered, bounced, queued, or not sent. Queued simply means that your message is waiting for the phone carrier's network to send it out. Please note that you can save credits by opting out or deleting bounced contacts. To do this, click on Bounced in your delivery report. You will see these options to the right of the results. You also have the option to export all of this information and have it sent directly to your email by clicking on the Export link at the top right of the screen. Select the information you would like exported, enter your email address, and then simply click Begin Export. Congratulations! You've now successfully reviewed your Easy Texting message delivery reports. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.